Today in this tutorial we will learn how to fetch these products on any page. So first of all, open your code editor. Inside code editor, make a new section named as new product. So I'm naming it as new product. So I will change its schema's name and set it as new. Now above your schema, place your HTML code. Then in your schema, add presets. Presets have two parameters. Number one is name and the other one is category. So name, new product, and then category is new product. Now if we go above, so this is the title of your section, so I have to make it dynamic. So to do so, we will go in our settings, and inside our settings we will make entry for this new title. So first parameter is its type as its text, so we will write it as text. Then label, I will label it as title, ID, value, and then default value. And I will copy the default value from the new product, and then I will place it over here. Then in place of this I will write section dot settings dot title. Now if we to add or fetch our products, we will fetch a collection of products. So to fetch that collection, we will make its schema. So over here we will add type is collection, we will label it as sponsors collection, and we will set its ideas collection. Now over here we will assign collection is equal to collections section dot settings dot collection. Now if we see for product in collection dot products, and I will end this volume over here. So in for now if we expand this li, so this is where we will place the source, like a link of that product. So for that we will write product dot url, and we will add a filter that is within column collection. Sorry for the confusion, we will write this URL in link. Sorry for confusion. And over here we will add that featured image. So we will write product dot featured image dot source, and we will add a filter of image URL that is master. As we want to show the products that are on sale, so that for that we will add over here product product dot product on sale dot on underscore sale, and this will allow us to add those products or fetch those products which are on sale. And then if we move forward, so we can see that there we will add a title of product, so that is product dot title, and over here we will add its amount, so it should be product dot price, and whenever we are dealing with price we add filter money. So that's it. Now we will save our file. Now if we go to our customizer, we can see that there is an option for new product. You can see from here we can change our collection, so I can select this. As this collection has only 2 products, so I have been displayed with only 2 products. I can choose whatever collection I want. So that's it. Thanks for watching.